gbélé. Bípọ̀, máa bá ṣe lọ́dọ̀ tiwa. Ṣe lọ́dọ̀ tiwa. Máa délé.
You no go gree o, you no go gree. Ọkọ Ìyábọ̀, you no. Ṣé mo lè yé lè sinú ta?
Bípọ̀, mọ́tò wà.
Tó bá dábàá fẹ́ mú.
máa yọ ẹsẹ̀ tì wá kúrò ní house fún wa. Mo yí sódì ni ọ̀nà mo mọ̀nà tó yá ni.
Bámi tún kọ kúrẹ́ mi náà.
Sáwọn dáadé bá. Ọ̀kẹ́ lọ sọ kí wọ́n sọ.
Wọ́n náà yàgbẹ́. Ìbílẹ̀ dà. Ìbílẹ̀ yìí. Ìbílẹ̀.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
Oh yeah, dismantle, come. Kia. Dismantle. On action, man, deliver fine. Ó yẹ máa bọ̀ ẹ́ tètè gbé.
Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn ọmọbìnrin lọ wọn lè padà síbẹ̀ yẹn mọ́.
Ẹyọ kìíní ìkó ṣe kíá. Yọ kúrò. Kó ra àgbáyé wọn. Big one. Ó yà ọlọ́pàá ìwọ́n tó tẹ̀gbẹ́ ọ̀gá.
Station, CPCO. So then I am the Deputy Commissioner of Police and this is the Assistant Commissioner of Police. Okay.
Let's go, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Pẹ̀lú ti dà. Ètò fọ́nì ìjọ ọkọ̀ ilé ìfọ̀. Kí ni yìí? Wọ́n lò ní ìjọ yẹn. provide it. ọ̀fẹ́ lò bọ́ wọ́n wá dúró ìgbìgbìrì wọ́n dẹ̀ wọ́n pé ọ̀fẹ́ lò bọ́ pé ilé náà ọ̀fẹ́ lò wọ́n lè sọ pé látọ̀ kó plákà dẹ́yìn bá mú akọ̀bá mẹ́. Géètì wà wájú pàdé géètì wà wájú pàdé àdúgbò bíi tọ́lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ sí so tí bá ti ó ti yẹ ọ̀pọ̀ ìṣẹ̀fún abẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn ṣe ọmọ ilé alábìdà ìjọba tó ọ̀rọ̀ tí ẹjọ́ tó báyìí wálé rẹ̀ mẹ́nu jábọ̀ ọ̀hún ọmọ yà ó lè súnmọ́ díẹ̀ Oya.
Think of silence. Action.
It's okay. You are welcome. This is State CID Party, and I am the Deputy Commissioner of Police. This is Assistant Commissioner of Police. What can we do for you?
Kelebeka ṣe fún yín. All right, thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀, tí gbogbo wa dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé there is human rights and everybody ló ní right ẹ̀ ló ń dá òfin. Lára right tí ó wà òun ni ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá ń lò tẹ̀fí ń discharge iṣẹ́ yín which tó jẹ́ pé àwọn aráàlú we have the right also the right to support you in discharging your duties. Ọlọ́pàá náà ní right láti protect the interest aráàlú. Sir, one of our colleagues was brought here. Ọmọ wá síbí wọ́n fi ẹ̀sùn kàn ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ yín lọ meticulously. Suddenly la rí wípé àwọn kan dẹ̀ wọ́de wá síbí wọ́n wá ní ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ release ẹ̀ on bail èyí tó jẹ́ constitutional right yẹ ìmùtàwá rí ni pé ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá ẹ̀ wọ́n dance to that kind of public opinion and that is why because láti ìgbà tí wọ́n ti mú ẹni yẹn he has spent more than 10 days here. Yes. He has not been granted bail. Yes. He has not been given his freedom. Yes. And under the law, sir, he is adjudged innocent until he is proven guilty by the court of the law, not the police station. Yes. Am I not correct, sir? You are correct. We want to know why you are still keeping him here. Number one. Number two, sir, we make about day. Can I tell you no? Sir. Okay.
You taturi the video tari to post online. Ṣé ó mọ́ lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ lábẹ́ òfin kéèyàn fi underage person kó fi ṣe bait nítorí òun ṣe investigation of sexual abuse. Ẹ bàbá akọ́lẹ̀ ẹ dáhùn ẹ mọ òfin ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì sà nínú fídíò tari a rí pé that suspect has been battered, has been beaten, wọ́n ti yaṣọ wọn lọ́rùn. Ṣé tí a bá ti ń bínú àbí tí wọ́n bá ti ṣẹ̀ sí wa tá a bá mú ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ sí wa ṣé a ní agbára láti dá sẹ̀ríà fún ká tó wá sọ fọlọ́pàá ẹ máa dá wa lóhùn gbogbo ẹni kẹfà kọ́nẹ̀sà ìkẹta bẹ̀sà a fẹ́ bèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Now it is a criminal offence to actually interrogate suspects under duress. Kẹ́nà it is not right to use torture as a means of investigation. Ẹ dẹ̀ rí fídíò tá à ń sọ yìí a fẹ́ bèrè pé kí ni ìdí tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ you are actually protecting the right of that girl. Kí ló dé tí ẹ ṣe protect the right ẹ kọ́lẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ the police are discharging justice. Kí ló dé tí ẹ ṣe arrest gbogbo àwọn tó abuse ọmọ yẹn. We want to know the position of the law. We want to know if truly nǹkan tẹ́ swear pé ẹ fẹ́ máa ṣe pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá tẹ́ gbà òun lẹ́ ṣe.
Are you true?
Sir, with all due respect to your personality, sir, I understand the police are actually carrying out their duties as promulgated by the law. But sir, any àkọ́kọ́ ta gbọ́dọ̀ hold responsible nínú iṣẹ́ ẹ̀yọ́ ọlọ́pàá ní ìpínlẹ̀ táwa yìí òun ni commissioner of police. Sir, àrò wípé authority kankan wà níbì kan lẹ́yìn tí commissioner of police sọ̀rọ̀ jáde sí gbogbo ayé wípé ẹni ọ̀sẹ̀ tí ẹ sọ wípé ẹni yìí ṣe o ó wà available lọ́ndà òfin. Sir, ẹ wá padà wá sọ fún wa pé ẹ ń expect àṣàrò àwọn DPP láti sọ fún ìkílẹ̀ ẹ̀ka ṣe. Sir, tí wọ́n lè bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ńjọ́ mi ṣé ẹ sọ fún wa pé ọ̀rọ̀ commissioner of police wa wúlò mọ́ níbi táwọn DPP wà ní kálíbà tó ṣe mọ́.
It's okay. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ tètè kalẹ̀
àwọn tẹ ló wá protest bí nobody support nobody tó sọ pé nǹkan tó ṣe dáa ṣẹbẹ́ yìí náà wá protest ní ìsìn we are going to see to all dates tá a bá dé ọ̀dọ̀ commissioner of police pé adenial bail kì í ṣe ọwọ́ wa ní ìyẹn wa the follow àwọn tó wá protest they have nothing to do with this authority.
Sir, nǹkan tá a gbọ́ ni pé ẹ̀ ń dìímú under DPP's advice. Èyí tí àdéjọ mọ̀ pé kò sí ẹnikẹ́ni náà ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ní òfin tó wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa tó ní agbára láti sọ pé ẹ ti ẹni ìmọ́lé kọjá nǹkan tó wà nínú òfin yàtọ̀ sí adájọ́. Ẹ sọ fún wa sí pé DPP lè sọ pé kẹ́ẹ̀tì ìyọ̀mọ́lé without order of the court.
That is just an advice.
Ẹ jẹ́ tẹ̀lé sa.
Àtẹ̀lé we know our job. We cannot come here and teach us our job.
Sir, we are part of the police community.
We all understand.
And we have right to hold you responsible. Tabadi pé ṣe tán.
We know that.
Àwa ò kì í ṣe jàgídíjàgan.
That is why we allowed you to come in.
We respect and appreciate that. You see our fancy, sir. Kẹsàn fún wa pé ẹ máa ṣe ohun tó bá lábẹ́ òfin. You grant the gentleman the bail. Àwọn ò sọ pé ẹ̀sùn tó ṣẹ̀ àmọ́ bóyá ó jẹ̀bi àbí ó jàre. Àfi ilẹ̀ kẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe yín. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ lábẹ́ òfin tó jẹ́ pé his fundamental right. You have no right to deny him.
Thank you very much. We'll see to that.
Ìgbà wo ni ká padà wá? Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti fílẹ̀ ìgbà wo ni ká tún padà wá?
Don't worry. We need to see. I will talk to you. We'll see what we can do. Yes.
All right.
You can come in.
All right.
Let's jẹ́ ká jọ sọ̀rọ̀.
Solidarity forever.
It's okay.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. To commend you, guys. To commend our rights. Thank you. Yeah. To commend the Nigerian police. Nítorí pé ìtẹ́mi rí òun la lè pè ní international standard. Ibi tí ọlọ́pàá máa fún yàn láyè láti sọ express ara ẹ̀. We need Gbosa for Nigerian police. Gbosa for Nigerian police. Gbosa. All right, thank you.
That's only you.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Hello, máa pè é padà mò ń bọ̀.
Oh yeah, silence please.
Action. Action.
It's okay. This is the CID party. I am the deputy commissioner of police. And this is assistant commissioner of police. Kí la lè ṣe fún yín? Kí lẹ ń fẹ́ kankan?
Ẹ ṣe Gbosa. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀, there is human rights. And this is the same right tí ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá tẹ́ fi ń discharge iṣẹ́ yín. And our aráàlú, our need duty láti support ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá in discharging this duty. The same thing náà ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá any right, any duty láti ṣùgbọ́n láti protect the right of our aráàlú. Am I correct, sir?
That's what we are doing.
Good, sir. Recently, one of our colleagues was brought here. He's being accused of some crime. Ohun tí a wá notice òun ni wípé in the process of that, ó ti wà lọ́dọ̀ yìí for a little while, some people came here and they began to protest. Wọ́n wá ń sọ fún yín pé táwọn tẹ bá release ẹni tá à ń sọ yìí on bail, àwọn máa pa síwájú bí. Ní ìtó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yàn ọlọ́pàá ìrí kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe sí. Pápá bá rí bẹ̀ ni pé it is now looking like Eti dance to the tool of that public opinion by holding him indefinitely against his rights. Ní ìtó lòdì sófin. Now we are putting it to okay, good sir. I will be asking you some questions. Yes or no, my time. Listen, nígbà tí ọmọ wa tí wọ́n sọ pé ó ṣe ẹ̀sùn báyìí, ọkìmọ́lẹ̀, wọ́n lù ẹni bọ́ọ̀lù àbọ̀lù. That's evidence of torture. Kí lẹ ṣe sí? Nothing. Sir, lábẹ́ òfin, is it right for anybody to use a minor as a bait for sexual abuse or sexual harassment investigation?
No.
Does anybody have a right? No. Now, ṣọkọ sí yẹn, rí pé yẹn is a serious criminal offence. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta bẹ̀, there is an evidence of torture, obtaining statement under duress. Nothing is being done on that. Lábẹ́ òfin, it is a criminal offence. Kí ló dé ṣé tí sì tí èèyàn kan bá ṣẹ̀ mí tó bá ṣẹ̀ wá ṣé a gbọ́dọ̀ sọ pé ókè o tó bá ti ṣẹ̀ mí o lọ́wọ́ ara mi o kò fẹ́ dá sẹ́ni àfọ̀. Ṣé owó lòdì ó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ lábẹ́ òfin?
I quite understand what you are saying, but ẹjẹ sọ kíní kan fún yín, we are not in court. Àwa kọ́ la máa judge mo kàn fẹ́ kàkálẹ̀. Tí wá ní láti ṣiṣẹ́ wa bí iṣẹ́ láti make sure pé a gbé ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ lọ síwájú adájọ́. Adájọ́ ló máa dájọ́. Sọ ẹ fọkàn yín balẹ̀ pé àwọn kan wá protest wọn ni tó bá jáde àwọn máa pa láti sọ tù. Àwa ò mọ̀ ń pa àyẹn. Bọ̀ tó bá níwájú adájọ́ á àwa ò sí in support of that.
Lẹ́sẹ̀ ní ayọ̀ ìgbé kí àwọn kan wá sí wọn support wa protest.
It's not right. It's not right. I would support you.
Pick up an action.
Pé àwọn kan wá síbí wọ́n wá protest pé àwa support wọn that is not true.
No, àwọn kan sọ kó máa pààyàn àwọn ò support.
Pé kó máa filẹ̀ let's go. Pé àwọn kan wá síbí wọ́n wá protest pé kó máa filẹ̀ àwa ò sí support of that. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́yìn ń wò bẹ́ẹ̀ a lè support ló kàn bẹ́ẹ̀ and let me tell you something a kì í ṣe court of law. Àwa ń ṣiṣẹ́ tiwa láti make sure pé a produce any accused person níwájú adájọ́. Adájọ́ ló máa ṣiṣẹ́ sọ ẹ fọkàn yín balẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń fẹ́ ni ìjọba máa ṣe fún yín kò ní sí wàhálà. Ẹgbẹ́ protest ẹ̀ náà wá protest yìí àdẹ̀ni ẹ má protest àdẹ̀ ti gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ sọ àgbẹ̀dọ́dọ̀ àwọn aláṣẹ kò sí wàhálà ẹ fọkàn yín balẹ̀.
Àlọ́ lórí wọn ẹ sáré dá sálọ̀ ìgbésọ̀ kí wọ́n máa rẹ̀ àwọn òde support ní láéláé orí tí wọ́n yá sáré dá àwọn olùkọ́ action.
Àwa ò lè support irú yẹn láéláé. That is the thing. So màá like láti invite ẹ kájọ sọ.
No, ìgbà tí kọ́kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ bèrè sà. Ìgbà wo lẹ máa release ẹ̀? Tẹ́ ẹ bá release ẹ̀ ìgbà wo ni ká padà wá?
Àwa kọ́ la máa sọ ẹ but definitely a máa release ẹ. A máa release ẹ. So jẹ́ kájọ sọ̀rọ̀ àjọ sọ. Then you go on your way. Ní anybody máa protest.
This is ẹ̀bọ̀ kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ I need to commend the Nigerian police. Èyí tẹ́ ṣe ló ń pè ní international standard. This is the kind of police I want in my country. Yes. Guys, kí ni gbọ́sà for Nigerian police?
Bosa! Bosa! Bosa!
Kí ni gbọ́sà for party police officers?
Bosa! Bosa! Bosa!
Thank you.
Solidarity My name is Olorode Muyiwa tí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ sí Rose. Mo wà ní orí set Okoyabo, produced by Yomi Fabiyi and directed by Dele Mati. Well, actually, the story, mo rí pé story enlightening much things nípa nǹkan táwọn èèyàn mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. I think with this movie, I think people should understand more about what happened. Thank you.
Go to that place, you are still on stage.
Ìsáṣọ ilé ìbí ẹni ò fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ ni o. Ó kàn fi sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀, ìsáṣọ ìbí ẹni ò ń gbọ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ni ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ̀ yẹ?
Ọmọ àlẹ́ ní ẹni.
Ẹ lọ bá sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo
Ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ jẹ fún ìmọ̀ lọ́jọ́.
Ọ̀gá sún síbẹ̀ kámẹ́rà ń yín bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ kú ọbẹ̀ kámẹ́rà ń yín bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá.
kíákíá. Ó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ló máa ń pẹ́ kiri náà. Wọ́n lè gàdé.
Let's go.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
This is State CID Panti. I am the Deputy Commissioner of Police, and this is Mr. Akpanishile, Assistant Commissioner of Police. What can we do for you? Kí lẹ fẹ́ ká ṣe fún mi?
All right, sir. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ sá, everybody has their rights under the law.
Yes.
And part of the rights, see, over under the law, lẹ́yìn ọlọ́pàá ń lò, tẹ́ fi ń discharge iṣẹ́ yín. Ẹ̀tọ́ dẹ̀ ni fún àwọn aráàlú láti support yín in discharging your duty. Ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti protect the right aráàlú. However, sir, lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí, wọ́n mú one of our colleagues, wọ́n mú wá síbí, which is Mr. Lanre. He's been accused of some crimes. What we noticed is that láti ìgbà tó ti wà bí, which is a bailable offence, is more than 10 days he has not been released. It is a gross abuse of his fundamental rights.
Yes.
Èyí tó wá jẹ́ pàpàǹbarì ibẹ̀ ni wípé some certain people came here to actually express themselves láti dúnkòkò mọ́ ọlọ́pàá pé tẹ́ bá fún ní bẹ́ẹ̀lì ẹ̀ they will kill him. Sir, do I have right to say I will kill you?
No.
I don't want to even say that because I know the law. However, sir, release here on bail. But the thing about them, don't about bail, àwọn bail kan lọ́wọ́ yín sir. Gbogbo alamọ òfin. Ṣé èèyàn ní ẹ̀tọ́ under the law to use a child as a bait? But mo fẹ́ lò as a bait because I am investigating sexual abuse, rape or molestation. Is it right under the law?
No.
Ẹ máa dé sẹ́, ẹ máa kọ́lẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ dáhùn gbogbo ẹ̀ káyé gbogbo ayé rí. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì sir, is it right for anybody to actually, after you have been oppressed or ìkọ̀kọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀, and you put laws into your hand and you begin to torture ẹni tó ṣẹ̀? Is it right under the law?
No.
Now, the third one, which is also very crucial, obtaining confession or statement under duress, we understand is a serious, grievous criminal offence. Yes. Video tí a rí tó bọ́ síta show that the suspect right is being abused, is being tortured. Why are the police quiet? Why?
And so, in addition to that, sir, I think by the number one person to hold accountable in the affairs of police institution in this state is the Commissioner of Police.
Oh, yes.
Now, the Commissioner of Police came out to tell the entire nation that the offense he was alleged of is a bailable. Any problem?
Orí wọn bẹ̀, orí wọn. Ṣé kò sáré kọjá ni? Oyaya yẹ ká parí ẹ̀ oyaya.
I'm parí ẹ̀.
Wọ́n kọ́ mẹ́lẹ̀ briefly ni you didn't know. Let's go. Oyaya, let's go.
Sir, now the Commissioner of Police came out to tell the entire nation that offence tí wọ́n sọ pé ẹni yìí commit yìí is a bailable offence.
Yes.
Now the police came out again to say they are expecting the DPP advice láti sọ bóyá kí wọ́n release ẹ̀ àbí kí wọ́n release ẹ̀. Sir, are we saying that ọ̀rọ̀ Commissioner of Police wa kò wà tenable mọ́ until we hear from the DPP or what, sir?
Not at all. Ṣé rí everybody ní right tó bá fẹ́ protest. Ṣé rí ọlọ́pàá ò ní gbà pé ẹ láwọn kan wá síbí wọ́n wá protest ìgbẹ́ bọ́ bá fẹ́ nìkan lè wọ́n máa pa, that is not true. Àwa ò dẹ̀ sí in support of that. Ṣé bí protest ẹ̀ náà wá protesting? Nobody disturbs you láti sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ fi ẹ̀hónú yín hàn tí wá ní láti advice. Ṣé ní gbogbo allegation tẹ kàkálẹ̀ yìí? Ibi ò kì í ṣe court àwakọ̀ la máa dájọ́, iwájú adájọ́ la máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ lọ tí wá ní láti arrange accused person fún adájọ́. Okay, let's go. So you all have the right. Thank you very much.
Guys, this is the kind of police we want in our country.
Oh, yes!
Kini Bosa for Nigerian police.
Bosa!
Kini Bosa to party police officers.
Bosa!
I'm impressed, sir.
Can I see you?
All right.
Okay.
Solidarity forever.
Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! That's what we always fight for our rights.
Wá bá gbà.
Next, ẹ kúrò.
Raise it up, yeah.
Yes.